yesterday the Hindi worksheet for print out. Okay. Right now we will do maths. The next class is your Hindi class. Now take your maths notebook. Open a new page. We have completed the number names.
SVENN.
Yes, correct. We have completed the number names from 1 to 6, right? Today we are going to write number name 7. So, what is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay? S-E-V-E-N 7. So, first of all, open a new page. Write down today's date and topic, number name. And you will write down 7. Okay? For the whole page, you will write it down. Seven. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Huh? For the whole page, you are done. Very good, Shiven. Nice, Shiven. Very good. So you have to write number name 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Write down in a good handwriting, class, everyone. Take your maths notebook, new page, and write down number name 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kia, you are also done. Just a minute, I'll see, huh? Nice, Kia. Very good. Seven. Paki bacha, you are writing. I can't see you, Paki. Shri, please keep your video on. Vedika, where are you, bacha? Okay, Paki, now I can see. Show me your page. Show me your book, Laksh. Good, Laksh. Nice. Very nice, Hriday. Very nicely written. Good handwriting. Just a minute. Himay, I see. Himay, very good. I can see you have written the full page. Very nice. Good. Yes, Gauri, bacha. Gauri, I can't see your book. Now I can see. Okay. Yes, Gauri. Well done, bacha. Good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, Shlok. Wait a minute. Good, Shlok. I can't see the full page. Take it up, your notebook. Put it in a proper in the camera. Okay, now I can see. Bacha. Good. Now the one who has done, we are going to do the revision from 1 to 7 number name. We will start with Shiven. Shiven, we will start with you.
O-N-E-1 E-W-O-2 T-H-I
Then 6.
S-I-X. 6.
7.
F-E-V-E-N.
7. Very good. Well done. Now Kia, your turn. Okay, then we can ask to Gauri. Gauri,
1 O N E 1 2 T W O 2 4
6 and 7.
and 10.
Very good, Gauri. Now Laksh, your turn. Say.
O N E 1 T W O 2 T H I double T 3 F U R 4
Hmm.
F I V E 5 F I X 6 S E V E N 7. Ma'am.
Very good, Laksh. Now, yes, Arav, I can see your page, bacha. Good. Very good. Now, Kia, can you say?
O-N-E-1 T-W-O-2 T-H-R-E-E
3
3 F-O-U
R
R 4
hmm.
F-E-V
I.
I-V-E 5
Hmm.
S-I-X 6
Hmm.
S-I-V
E.
E-V-E-N 7
Very good, Kia. Well done. Now, coming to. No, bacha, not 8 right now. No. No. We have to say till number 7 only. Now, Hriday, your turn. Nivan, I can see your page, and even Danish, I saw your page also. You are showing me in between. Okay? Yes, Hriday.
O-N-E-1 T-W-O-2
3.
T-H-R-E-E 3 F-U-F-O-U-R 4
Praya, good.
F-I-V-E 5 F-I-X 6
Hmm?
7.
7.
E-V-E-N 7
Correct. Good. Now, coming to Hate. Yes, Hate, your turn. Say 1 to 7.
T-W-O-2 T-H-I-W-3 F-U-R 4 F-I-V-5 S-I-X 6 S-E-V-E-N 7.
Very good, Hate. Very good. Now, Vedika, your turn. Vedika.
O-N-E-1 T-W-O-2 T-H-R-E-E 3 F-O-U-R 4 F-I-V-E 5 S-I-X 6
E.
S-E-E-V-E-N 7
Correct. Good.
E-I-T-H-T
No, not 8. Not 8. Yes. Now, Shlok, your turn. Shlok.
1-1 T-W-O-2 T-H-R-E-E 3 F-O-U-R 4 F-I-V-E 5 S-I-X 6 S-E-V-E-N
V.
7.
Correct. Very good. Now, Khanak, your turn. Khanak. Khanak.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me 1 to 7. Number name.
Wait.
1 to 7. Acha. Okay, Khanak. Nicely written. Good. Now tell me 1 to 7. Number name.
ONE1, TW2, TH,
R.
RW,
Hmm.
FOUR, 4,
Hmm.
SIVE5,
Hmm.
SIF6, SEVEN, 7.
Very good. Now, Prayag, your turn, bacha. Say.
ONE1, TW2, THREE, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN. Okay.
Very good. Very good. Well done. Good job. Now, Arav, your turn.
ON1, TW2, THREE, FOUR4, FIVE5, SEX6, SEVEN.
SIX6. Okay, all are correct. Arav, SEX नहीं है, AEX. Chalo, good. Now, Himay, your turn. Himay.
ONE1, 2W2, THREE, 4, FOUR4, FIVE5, SX,
SI.
SIX,
Huh?
SEVEN.
Very good, Himay. Very good. Now, Danish, your turn. Danish. Danish. Okay, then Nivan, you will say. Nivan.
ONE1, TW2,
Very good, Nivan. Very good. Yes, Danish. Now, yes, Danish, say.
saying but आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था शायद.
Okay, now Danish, you can say.
ONE1, TW2, THREE, FOUR4, FIVE5, SIX6, SEVEN.
Very good, Danish. Well done. Now, Ayansh, your turn. You will say.
ONE1,
Hmm.
TW2,
Huh?
3,
Huh.
THREE, 3,
THREE.
double E,
3. Now 4.
4,
Hmm.
FOUR, 4.
Very good. Now 5.
I E. नहीं, V. V E.
Good.
6
Hmm.
S E
Mm-hmm.
I
He's saying the sound, phonic sound.
Yes, I got it. I got it.
X.
S
6.
6
Now 7.
7
Hmm.
7 go. S.
S E V.
Again, chalo. S.
SEVEN.
Bolo.
S E
Hmm.
N. 7.
Correct. Good. Now, Shri, your turn. Shri. Okay, Paki. After Shri, I will ask to you. Shri. Say 1 to 7.
1. ONE1 TWO2 TSREE
F-O.
FOUR4
CE5.
5
No need to see in the notebook, bacha. You have to see without without saying.
FIX6
Ha. Now 7.
SEY
V.
SEV.
SEVEN 7
Yes, correct. That's it. Now, Paki, your turn, bacha. Paki. Paki. Paki, say.
Chalo.
ONE1 TWO2
પછી બોલો T.
THREE
પછી
FOUR4 FIVE5
6 plus spelling.
SSEIX6
7.
SEEX
V. SEV.
S-E-V-E-N.
7. Okay, good. Now, I want to announce you two things. One is that your next class is your Hindi class, so there is a worksheet which you are going to do it. Next thing, one more thing, which is about an activity. In next Thursday, coming next Thursday, we are going to do one activity on animals topic. Okay, wild animals. What you have to do, I'm going to upload the details once again in the classroom. But before that, I just want to tell you, you have to dress up, or you can take any object of animal and you have to say few lines on it. Okay, it can be related to animals, wild animals. You can choose any of your favorite animal. Okay, and each and every participant will get e-certificate for this. Okay, if you will not participate, then you will not get anything. So you should participate, and it is about wild animals, which we have already done in general awareness class. Okay, so you can choose any of the animal, you can dress up, or you can take the objects, whatever you want to take. You can take any toy of that animal, and you have to speak few lines. Few lines means at least you should say at least 5 lines. That doesn't mean that you will say 2 lines and that is enough. At least now you are in UKG, so you can say at least 4 to 5 lines. Okay, class? I'm going to keep this in upload today, so you will get to know more in detail. And that will be on coming next Thursday. Okay, so you have a 1 week for the preparation. So here we are ending our class. The class is over for today, maths class. See you in the next class. Bye-bye, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.